Come for join we for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Yeah, this year, the Gullah Geechee. This who we be. We want Hunter for join the Gullah Geechee family right there in Charleston, South Kakalaki, the first weekend in August 3rd to the 5th. Come on down to Chucktown and see what we to protect in the whole park. So the Gullah Geechee Nation begins in Jacksonville, North Carolina and goes southward to Jacksonville, Florida. And so it encompasses all of the islands that are a chain of islands called the Sea Islands. The Gullah Geechee language is still prominent here because this is our home base and homeland. A lot of the traditions from the agricultural level are still rooted in West Africa.
If you have young people who are ashamed of speaking the language or who are encouraged by authority figures to discontinue use of the language, that an essential part of the culture dies.
Yeddi the casa, we know Emmanuel, the Gullah Geechee know Emmanuel as they stand up and hold upon the language and the culture and things like that. And welcome we brother Winston Farrell from Barbados. He ain't going to throw down the Bajan way that we the whole thing with. We featured artist Quadri Stucky that do the art for this year, yeah. And then the drum coming in one more again with Wana Wamalan, yes. Come and dance with we. Bring on a drum, bring on an open spirit, and be ready for this year who we be. We be Gullah Geechee. Meet Gregory Grant, Anastasia Ketchens. Learn how we the soul we story still in the basket and rather was in the quilt with some of we elders and make the quilt and thing. And then now on some we food with Chucktown Mobile and Chef BJ Dennis. Yeah, come on children, all this year going to be with all the true Gullah Geechee family with a whole upon the tradition and the culture. Yeddi the drum and then come. Join we in Charleston the first week of August for this year, yeah, the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. It's going to be a time.